Good day guys, welcome to our channel. In this one I will show you how to use multiple desktop in Windows 11 effectively. So multiple desktop functionality allows you to create a new desktop canvas where you can place other apps, maybe hide things that you don't necessarily want to see on the main monitor, and just have a blank slate place for maybe your work, right? If you want to separate your private stuff from your work, that's the perfect place to do it, guys. So in order to begin, guys, you need to just press on a Windows combination, Windows tab, like this. Just press Windows tab. And as you can see, guys, in here, I have two windows, which is settings and my OBS for recording. And as you can see, we have a button, new desktop, click on it. And this, as you can see, creates a completely fresh slate, where, as you can see, my previous apps that I had running, right, like OBS and settings, are not displayed anymore. And in here, you can just go ahead and open up your new apps. So let me just open something up. All right, there you go. So I just, for example, open up the calculator and you can use it here in this completely separate space. If you want to go back, Windows tab again, like this, and then go back to your first desktop. And as you can see, calculator is not here anymore. So a fresh slate. And by doing this, you can just simply separate, for example, your personal stuff from work and enjoy the boost in your productivity. So that's it. That's how you efficiently use desktops, different desktops in Windows. Enjoy as always, and thank you for watching.